So 1K special video is here and it's gonna be gigantic. But big things require planning, so let me plan the artwork first. So here is the simple concept of this drawing. So Gogeta यहाँ पे अपना soul punisher move use कर रहा है and Shenron is coiling behind him. So without wasting any time, let's do it. As always, I'm going to draw this artwork freehand. Anatomy and proportion जैसी चीज़ें आपकी जितनी अच्छी होंगी, आपका artwork भी उतने ही अच्छे बनेंगे. His hairs are just like the coolest thing in the world. उसका मौत का फरमान. His biceps are just awesome. काश मेरे भी ऐसे होते हैं. So मैं पेंसिल से इसको शेड कर दूंगा to define all of his muscles. Now time to draw his pajama langoot. By the way, comment down your favorite Dragon Ball Z character. And उसके जूते जापानी. So it's the time to draw the eternal dragon Shenron. Comment down if तुम्हें Shenron से विश मांगने का मौका मिले, तुम क्या मांगोगे? The outline is finished now. Now let's do a sexy line art. So मैं body part को red pen से इंक करूँगा and बाकी सबको black से. His hair shows the perfect fusion between the Goku and Vegeta. Ooh la la, what a body. So I'll ink the jacket with a slightly thicker pen. I'm using the hatching technique to show all the depth on his body. Defining the bends and folds on his pajama using the hatching technique. So great dragon Shenron has left.
Doesn't work like it used to. As I know I remain a danger to me, to you. Going altered by the moment, dear, and there's a days shine idle sweet on.
It is in the pencil mark and now let's see the result. So I know मैंने कुछ वादे किए थे मगर मेरी 10th है तो थोड़ा सा टाइम लग सकता है उनमें. तब तक इसी का काम चलाओ, इसका नेक्स्ट पार्ट भी कुछ ही टाइम में आ जाएगा. थैंक यू सो मच यू ऑल फॉर द 1K सब्सक्राइबर्स. सो एनीवेज, सायोनारा.